Hi again guys, hope you're well. I've got a good midweek meal for you, a fast meal. It's pretty fast, it really is. You could probably cook this in about 10 minutes, really, if you use fresh pasta. But I've got this sauce, and it's a creamy, cheesy sauce, Havarti cheese, good melty cheese for this. And you can have this sauce on its own. It's fantastic, just on its own with some nice crusty bread. Toast that bread, rub some garlic on there, little olive oil, scoop it up. What's that dog doing? Scoop it up, and it's fantastic, really, really good. But what I chose to do, I chose it with pasta. It's fantastic with pasta, and the protein I used was some nice sautéed chicken. Nice thin pieces of chicken to cook it really nice and fast. Get some nice golden brown on them, chicken breasts on both sides. Beautiful, yeah, it's a good recipe, and I'm gonna show you. I'm excited to actually show you, so let's crack on.
Okay, first, let's make the cheesy sauce. Finely dice your shallot. The reason why I chose a shallot is because they fit the sauce. Quick to cook, less harsh compared to say a yellow onion, and sweeter. Add olive oil to a pan, followed by the shallots. Now cook on a medium heat for about 1 minute. Make sure you keep stirring. If you don't, they will turn brown real quick. After about a minute, finely dice garlic and throw that in there. Now cook the garlic for about 1 minute. Stirring all the time. Next, add the spinach, a few handfuls at a time. And cook until wilted. It won't take long. And repeat until all the spinach is wilted. For my sauce, I'm using Havarti cheese. It's a good melty cheese. If you can't find it, Monterey Jack is also a good one too. Slice the cheese small so it will melt fast in the pan. Add all the cheese to the pan, followed by heavy cream, just to help it along, and ground black pepper. Bring to a light simmer, now get stirring until the sauce is smooth. Look at that. It's crying for crusty bread. Next, add navy beans.
You don't have to use navy beans in this. You can use any pulses you want. Chickpeas are good in this, some black beans are good in this. So, world's your oyster.
Stir in the beans well, followed by lemon zest. This makes the sauce come alive. Now stir.
And like I said before, this could be a vegetarian dish, but I chose chicken. It's fantastic with chicken, and also I've had it with beef as well, and it's really good with beef. But I really preferred chicken, really, really good. So try it with chicken and see what you think. I use thin chicken breast. They cook really nice and quick, and oh yeah, really, really good. So try it with chicken.
You heard him, chicken really fits this dish. Get that pan on and cook.
If you want to knock it out in about 10 minutes, I highly recommend using fresh pasta. I bought some fettuccine from the store, fresh, cooked in about 2 minutes. You can get it anywhere, fantastic, or even make your own, which is great. Or just use normal pasta. Any pasta you want really is fantastic with this.
This pasta only takes 2 minutes to cook, so be careful not to overcook it. Add to salted boiling water and cook. Transfer the pasta to the sauce. Also, add a little pasta water, just to loosen everything up. At the end, add fresh dill.
Go lightly on that dill because it can be very overpowering. So take it easy on the dill, little bit by bit, and just see where you are with your taste buds, but that can be overpowering.
Look at that, absolutely delicious.
there you go, a delicious midweek meal that anybody can knock up in about 10 minutes flat using fresh pasta. It's that simple. So give it a go. I really want you to try this and see what you think, because it's a good dish. It really is a good dish. So make sure that you subscribe, share, like, do your thing, and I will be back for another recipe. Thanks, guys.